Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what it is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host, P-Fire, aka Pick Up a Penguin and Perch. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. That's right, they're like buses. You wait for one for ages and like 500 come at once. You know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around, come back, and we're gonna do it like we do it for TV. Let's get it. Oh Lord. Yes, guys, I'm back. Yes, let me sort my shit out, because right now I'm looking all a mess. You know what I mean? You see the hair, the little hedge scarf, hedge wrap or whatever. You see it? Alright, let me get myself together, because I'm looking real unprofessional right now, guys. Real unprofessional. Alright, let's do this. So, oops, make sure this doesn't fall off. Got tags and everything. Shit, guys, that wasn't as smooth as I wanted it. So guys, today we have this. Let me step back. Shit, I'm rushing. Let me give you close up. Let me give you 12 hours, baby. Let me show you what's going on here. So today, right, we have this beautiful Mallet. And I forgot what it's called, the actual hoodie name, but I'll put it down there. We have a peach version. I'm gonna call it a peach cobbler. We got this peach cobbler Mallet hoodie. Let me guys, just look at the beauty on this, man. Let me let you see what I'm seeing. You know what I mean? Beautiful. Now, for those of you who remember, I did a video on the black one of this, and I told you the hoodie was dope. I'm not sure how many of you have watched that. Go check that video out. I'll put the link down in the bottom, and yeah, you guys can go check it out. But that's one of my favorite hoodies. I'm not even gonna lie. The feel of it, the touch of it, just, you know, the quality is super dope. Really nice. So yeah, this is basically a peach Mallet hoodie. Like I said, you see there, you've got that box logo right there, and that's nice and embroidered, and that's on a differential color right there, so you can just see the difference. And then the embroidery is in white. Of course, you have these long what do we call them? I always forget, you know, just adjusters anyway. Now this is the one thing, speaking of the adjusters, this is the one thing about the Mallet hoodies that I think that they could improve on. I would cut these down to maybe here, because what happens, you either have to tie it, which I don't like doing, I'm sure people do, or it just flaps around and hits everywhere, and you know, so I think if they could shorten this, that would be beautiful. Of course, you've got the nice sort of silver aglets at the end that say Mallet, made out of pure silver, I have you know, made out of pure silver. Okay, maybe not, trade description, don't come after me, but yeah, it says Mallet on there. Nice little touch. My black one, I put this in the washing machine and I forgot to you know, tie this up, and basically it came off. But it is, yeah, it's just a bit, you know, as you can see, waist wise, this is a large, I believe, and it fits me perfect. As you can see, it just comes below my waist. Really dope colors. I mean, against this background as well, the colors popping up. Let's have a look at the hood. You see, proper hood, as you can see, really dope. Color is crazy, you know, tappity tap tap, you're all right, nothing too crazy, but you know, it's super dope, you know. It's a hoodie, it's for summer, it's, yeah, in fact, you can wear this anytime. Not much more to say then, other than I love the color, I love the feel. You see the ribbages right there, nice ribbed cuffages right there, nice little bit of rummage in there. Yeah, just really dope, man. A dope little hoodie. Again, here you can put your hands in, kangaroo pocket, really nice. You wouldn't put anything in here other than your hands, so you can walk down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. That's about it. Oh, I didn't say the 3M Mallet tab right there, you know what I'm saying? Really nice little touch. Yeah, all in all, guys, beautiful piece. Not much more to say other than it's a hoodie, it's peach, and I look like a peach. Boom, boom. So yeah, that's it, guys. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not The Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host, P-Fire, aka P is for Peach, and this has been Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, stay dope, stay fly, and be cool, Eddie.